The lighting is perfect. Perfecto. I look delicioso. I cracked me up. Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know y'all is sick and tired of me being inconsistent, because I am sick and tired of me being inconsistent when it comes to YouTube. Like, I have so much ideas in my head as to what type of videos I can make, but every time it's time for me to make a YouTube video, I get stuck and I'm like, dang, what should I do a video? A couple of things that I want y'all to make sure y'all do is don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment any type of video suggestions that y'all have for me. Please do that. That will help me out so much. And another thing too, I've never in my life vlogged before. This is going to be my first time vlogging, so do me a slight favor. So in regards to this being my first time vlogging, y'all gotta let me know how I did, and if y'all want me to continue, I can't even talk. Y'all let me know in the comment section if this is something that y'all want me to continue doing as far as vlogging. And yeah, the next favor that I wanted y'all to do for me is, like I said, this is my first time vlogging, so yeah, don't judge me, judge Mammy. Alright, so for today's vlog, I am going to Hobby Lobby, one of my favorite stores. I literally went to that store maybe 2 weeks ago and I fell in love. Listen, I am a DIY whore, and when it comes to doing anything that I know I can do, like when it comes to like arts and crafts and stuff, I'm on it. Like, I literally be on YouTube researching stuff, Google researching stuff. I can't really get into Pinterest. I tried, but it's just really not for me. I don't know why, but Pinterest reminds me of going inside of Marshalls or TJ Maxx, like those type of stores, Ross, because every time I go inside those stores, it's so nerve-wracking, because the thought of me having to search for things in the middle of a whole bunch of, it's pretty much, to me, this is how I'm gonna classify it, is looking for a needle in a haystack. And that's how I feel when it comes to Pinterest, and I just can't do it. I really get bad anxiety when it comes to those stores and looking on Pinterest. So yeah, I rather actually go into like the craft stores. Like my top two is Michael's and Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby is going to be my number one. The only thing is the distance is just so out there. Like, it's literally maybe 25 minutes away from me, and plus it's out west, but I don't mind taking the drive. So it's all about finding time. So we're gonna go to Hobby Lobby because I started making my baby these bomb ass shoes that I have to finish, but I ran out of the materials for them. So I'm gonna go and pick them up, and I get to Hobby Lobby. And by the way, I am making baby red bottoms for my baby from a little butterball. So see y'all soon, you guys. So we are inside of Hobby Lobby. We finally made it. We are out of breath because, of course, we're cracking up as always. So we're going to go to the craft section. You guys, look! Mo, is it me or did they add more stuff?
I mean, of course they're gonna add more stuff.
No, they did, right?
Yeah. That wasn't there last time.
I don't remember this big crown.
Ooh, I want to read this. It's not fancy hair. Oh, it is not fancy hair. I don't want to read it.
So much for that. She got nervous, guys. How much is this? So this is like one of our favorite sections, like literally. Oh, the pom-poms. I'm trying to see how much the crown thing is. No, you could. It's not gonna get you. Oh, and it's 50% off too. No, the price tag was on this side. Oh, there's one right there too.
$39.
39? It's not bad. Oh, and it's like 50% off. I believe so. Oh, but if you have a 40% coupon.
Oh, this is cute.
It is. Lena.
Yeah.
I told her I was gonna
Yeah, they're 50% off
leave
too.
the house with money. Tell her
Because baby.
You should get it, boy. 15 and then 50% off. Jesus loves me. This I know for the fact.
Alright, so this is in case anybody hasn't been to Hobby Lobby before. This is literally the you know how you could, oh, this is so nice. I know IKEA has this same rug for like an arm and a leg. Let's see how much Hobby Lobby has it for. Oh, let me see. $23. And at IKEA, I believe you're probably paying maybe $49. But Hobby Lobby is literally like the place for grown-ups. You know how you feel like you're a kid in a candy store? This is literally how I feel every time I come in here. Look at this. This is so gorgeous. Oh, see how thick I am? Bam. Bam. And it has a matching mirror. A lot of these things, like, being that I'm such a DIY person, I wouldn't even purchase. I would literally make them myself, like this mirror and something like this. It won't be exactly like it, but it'll be close enough. So we're gonna go to the rhinestone section because that's what I need. It's actually better for me to go online to get these rhinestones because I'll get a better deal. But I'm the type of person, I don't like waiting when I'm doing a project, so I actually like to purchase what I need right then and there versus actually waiting. And that's my only issue. It's because I don't want to wait, because I could actually purchase these online and get literally over 1,000 small rhinestone pieces. Alright, so I picked up, I only really need one more box of these, so I'm gonna do that. And I need at least, I'd say maybe 3 boxes of these. Oh. And there's a box, listen to me, there's a coupon when you come to Hobby Lobby. There's like a 40% off coupon also. So that's all I'm getting from here. And the adhesive I'm going to try is Gem Tack. I've been using E6000, but I'm gonna try the Gem Tack and let y'all know how that goes. Alright, so I found what I needed. Right now I'm looking for the Gem Tack adhesive. That's what I'm looking for, so that way I can finish on my project and go from there. Alright, so most likely I'm gonna finish up my vlogging in here because outside is literally dark. Finish up my baby shoes. I want your basket in my basket.
Girl, you ain't got no choice.
Why not?
We in this together. We came here together. We leaving together. And listen, here's a bonus. We shopping together. So
I just
therefore,
said the basket. I didn't say your items.
oh,
So you
it don't matter. Oh, I'm so done with you. So now we're looking for Christmas trees. So childish. What about that one? That's too small. Girl, Lena gonna push that thing over. Now we are Christmas trees, smell my feet, give me something good to eat. If you don't, I don't care, I'll pull down your underwear. I don't even know if that's how that song goes. It sound like it do, don't it? It had a little flow. Alright, you guys, this concludes my first official vlog.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section below what videos you look forward to looking at, and what videos you look forward to looking at, what videos you look forward to seeing. And don't forget to let me know you know, how you guys enjoyed this vlog. So until next time. Hello, gorgeous. No, you shouldn't.